Good day, ladies and gentlemen, from 5 Malin Road, Vincent, East London. My name is Justin Rothbard. Our brand is Auction One, and we specifically specialize in the sale of properties by virtue of public auction. This is what we would call a true fix-me-upper, and certainly the position needs no introduction. And Vincent, very central, close to Hudson Park Primary, Senior and Port Rex Technical High School, walking distance to Vincent Park. Plenty of public transport around. This is a place to be. The new CBD of East London is right on your doorstep. The home itself, Harvey tile roof, beautiful pool in the exterior, but yes, needing a clean-up, garage and a very large basement with quite a lot of storage space. The interior of the house is definitely needing attention on it and consists of 3 bedrooms. The built-in cupboards need work. It's got the family bathroom, lounge, and then a huge kitchen with fitted melamine cupboards. There's also a study and dining room area and a small laundry. Definitely I see an opportunity to open plan the living areas of the property onto the kitchen. What you put into this property is what you can get out. We can see the person that comes here with the vision and creativity will certainly be able to add instant value to this property. A hands-on type person, handyman, yes, this is the buy for you. Remember, in property, there's only one rule: buy position. See you at our auction, 14th of September 2023. Keep well.